How to delete files from Google Drive. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can remove or delete files from your Google Drive account. I'm sure you might be wondering if it's possible to remove files from your Google account, and my answer for you today is yes, you can do this. What do? The first thing to do is to open up the Google Drive application. Once you've opened it, at the lower part of the screen, you'll see a list of icons such as home, start, shared, files. All right, our focus is on files. So if you're not on the files page, ensure you click on files, and then you'll be brought to this page. Now once you're on this page, locate the image that you want to, or the files that you want to delete. Then select it. Once you've selected it, the image you want to delete or video, whichever thing you want to delete, on the image there will be 3 dots. Yes, 3 dots on each image. So just click on that 3 dots, and once you click on it, a menu will be displayed and showing you a list of options. Just scroll down until you see remove. Remove is next to report abuse. So just click on remove, and then a box pop up showing you that the image will be deleted forever after 30 days. Collaborators will lose access. All right, so if you still want to delete it, go ahead and click on move to trash. And once that is done, your image would be, or the file would be deleted from your Google Drive. Very simple. So this is how you can delete files from Google Drive. Thanks for watching.